Quickly learn how to add attachments in Google Classroom from this video. First, launch your Google Chrome web browser. Visit classroom.google.com and log in. You can see the web link here. Once you log in successfully, you will see some classes you created. Okay, before you can upload any file, you have to have some classes already created. So let's work with this basic Excel class. I'll click on the name. Now, on clicking on the name, you will see some options here, some tasks by the top here. Okay, now what you need to do is to click on classwork. Okay, on clicking on classwork, select create. You have some options. All right, so in this case, let's assume you want to give an assignment to your students. So I'll click on assignment option, then give it a title. On giving it a title, you can give instruction on what they need to do. Then these are attached sections. If you want to attach any file from Drive, your Google Drive account is linked to this Classroom app, all right, platform. So if you click here, it will open that automatically. All right, so this shows documents. So let's say the recent documents I have here, I want to attach one of them. I'll click on it, all right, and click on add. So it's going to be attached. All right, so look at it, it is here as an attachment. But maybe you want to source a file from your PC or any of these channels. You can do the same thing. They are all attachments you can place. But let me remove this. Let's pick one from our PC. I'll click on upload. Then I'll click on browse. Then I'll get to documents. Okay, I'm in documents already and get to the file I want to upload. Let's say this is what I want to upload. All right, I'll click on it and click on open. And it has been placed here. And it's going to be sent to all my students in this case. If you want specific number of students to receive it, click on all and select the students. But here I have only one. I'll click on done. Then click on assign. So it will be sent as attachment to your student. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. A product is displayed on this screen is one of my products. So when you click and buy, you are supporting this channel. When you get to my store, you can still check other products. Thank you and see you some other time.